Now I'm going to Legian Street to focus on Ulirama, pick up Azul, Russ, and also Jimbo. We are heading to Aling-aling Waterfall. I think it's going to take 2.5 hours until 3 hours to reach Aling-aling Waterfall. It's going to be a long drive. I have to prepare myself. Don't let myself to get sleepy. So good morning.
Good morning.
Morning. So this is my friends. This is Jimbo, Azul, and Russ at the back here. They are from Philippines. This is day 6. We've been 6 days travel around Bali. We saw many places, and this is the last day for them. Tomorrow they will go home back to Philippines early in the morning. So we're heading to Aling-aling Waterfall to have a cliff jumping at the waterfall. And I hope the weather will be fine, will be great days for us. We're gonna have some fun. So keep watching the video, never miss it. We are already arrived at Aling-aling Waterfall. That is the sign. And this is the ticket center.
Waterfall only 10-minute walk.
Okay.
But flat first and then complete stair, down step. Yeah.
Are you ready, Azul?
Yeah, ready.
Ready.
Thank you.
Well, the guy said we need to walk 10 minutes. It's gonna be flat first, then it has the stairs to go down. The stairs is starting now. And it has a changing room over here before the waterfall. They have a changing room, so don't worry to get wet because you can change. They have a proper changing room and toilet.
That's the story.
The water is clear. I'm so excited to jump here. What do you think?
Excited.
Are you there to jump?
I will try everything.
Are you ready, Kim? Do it! You're not gonna do this?
I'm afraid to jump. I thought that it's a big one.
Okay, I will do it.
Okay. Just
I will
bring
bring it. Like
okay.
I want to do selfie
Okay,
while
go.
jump. Let's jump, okay? After jump, we going to do sliding. Over there, we're gonna slide from the top of the waterfall. I'm afraid. Really, I'm afraid.
You're not afraid to jump over here?
Yeah.
Like this? Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
That was fun.
Yeah. That was scary. I was afraid, but after I did it, I'm still alive. Okay. Sliding?
Sliding, mag-again sa soccer nila.
Oh. This is the next sliding. Not too high. Let's see. Woo! Whoa! Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo! So much fun! Oh my god! This is so high! Berapa meter lagi, Pak?
10 meter.
This is 10 meters high. 10 meters. Woo! I will jump.
You will jump?
I will jump. There's no reason for me. I don't jump. I'm here. I have to jump. 1, go! Are you ready? I am afraid. Woo! Let's do it! Are you okay?
I'm okay, but I will jump and I'm getting too long. Yeah. I'm ready. Here.
Oh my god, no. 15 meters. I'm not sure you have to do that. Don't jump. You're gonna do that?
My neck, my knee is.
Oh, you have.
And I think when
you
I
have been
jump and
surgery
my
before.
feet on the water, I can do this.
Yeah.
Bonds. Yeah, like bonds. Yeah, I.
You had a surgery.
Bonds. Yeah, cross bonds. Couch bonds. In my knee.
Who's gonna do this? Jim? No, I'm not gonna do this. This is too high for me. Yeah, that one was scary. And I'm not doing that. I'm not gonna do it for the second time.
You wanna go down?
Where?
Come through from there.
Okay?
Bang pun.
Macam mana?
Bang pun itu. Bang pun ke kemudian.
Yeah.
Wanna go down? You wanna swim over there?
Yeah.
They can go down. Okay, I'm gonna do it, but without holding the GoPro.
Yeah. Jimbo's jumping. Racing.
Oh, you have to do that, right?
No, I'm done. I jumped already, but you didn't record it.
So at the back of me, that is Aling-aling Waterfall. Nice. From Kuta, from Legian, from Sminya, do you think it's worth to see something like this for 3 hours driving? For me, it is worth it. You have to come here. This is the best spot to set your adrenaline, you jump over the cliff and see this beautiful waterfall. I'm Wes from West Bali Driver. See you soon.